Do whatever you want. I don't give a shit.
I'll do a burn off.
Alright.
Some good tires. It's still good.
Sunday tomorrow.
I really got it. I put it in the first gear, it's gonna die. Because it's just, I let out the clutch, it's gonna, we get some gas.
I guess we'll see. We'll see what happens. He almost fucking smoked that car.
I tried and I took over. I broke off the
Alright, buddy, I gotta piss. Hey, are you coming back tonight?
No.
Because I'm probably leaving soon. Oh, alright. Well, what the fuck are you doing on your bike then? Jesus Christ.
Did you say cock?
What are you doing, Bill?
I was gonna say there's no cock to be blocking with it.
You guys, this is the funniest thing ever. Are you guys seeing Eddie right now?
Cody, did you see my keys? Did you see pull out any keys out of my jacket?
No. I didn't know he was wearing a jacket even. He lost your keys?
Hey, I have my car here. It can be a no-go.
What are you doing, Eddie? Just letting it run?
Yeah.
Ah.